Welcome to another tutorial on IOC, and in this video we're going to go over how to send an encrypted message to someone else in our blockchain. For this you're going to need a public alias, and the other user is also going to need a public alias. So two public aliases are going to be needed in order for this to work. Before you even start, you have to know the other person's public alias. In this case, the other person's public alias is Sam Demo. So Sam went ahead and made an alias in our blockchain, and after being private, he made it public. So what I'm going to do on my end is that I'm going to go into this section right here where it says my RSI keys, and I'm going to click there and then send an invite to Sam Demo. And this is how you do it. We go into the my RSA keys section, and then once you are there, I'm going to use the Cobra Kai public alias that I have. I'm going to go in here and basically put Sam Demo. I'm going to press enter, and then that's going to send an invite. As you can see right here, transactions going through. That's going to go to the blockchain. He probably already saw something on his end, and once he accepts the invite, we are going to be able to chat. What's happening at this moment is that when he clicks on invite, blockchain will create an encrypted tunnel between both of the users. The level of encryption that IOC uses for our decentralized messaging capabilities is AES 256.